A mentally unsound person killed 3 civilians, including a woman, and injured at least 3 persons in Islamabad district of South Kashmir. The incident took place at Ashmukam area of the district, where a mentally unsound person allegedly attacked persons with a lathi today. 3 injured persons were shifted to the nearby hospital. India's dreaded National Investigation Agency during house raids arrested several persons and seized house documents and other equipment of the residents in different districts of the territory. The NIA raided the houses of Javed Ahmed Sheikh, Iqbal Sheikh, Shaukat Sheikh, Manzoor Sheikh, Amin, Bashir Ahmed, Nambardar Abdul Ghani Wani, and retired ASI Muhammad Ahsan Mir in South Kashmir's Islamabad, Kulgam and Pulwama districts. The NIA also detained 1 person. The house raids and searches were going on till last reports came in. Workers of Anganwadi held a protest in North Kashmir's Handwara area against the recently approved human resource policy. Meanwhile, activists of Mission Statehood Jammu Kashmir in Jammu organized a protest rally against the rising prices of LPG, petrol and diesel. The protest was led by MSJK leader Sunil Dimple, who claimed that the BJP government has failed to control the rising prices. Modi-led fascist Indian regime is trying to give a false impression of normalcy in occupied Kashmir. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said the Modi regime is trying to distort the truth and twist facts to promote its false narrative on Kashmir. It is crafting false narratives of investment and development to justify its illegal actions of 5th August 2019 in the occupied territory. Ground situation negates India's false narrative of return of normalcy in the territory. A government school principal in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh was suspended after students recited Allama Iqbal's poem "Lappe aati hai dua ban ke tamanna meri." The verse concludes with "Mere Allah burai se bachana mujhko," which was considered as an inappropriate part of the poem by a Hindu organization. The Education Department stated that the principal has been suspended on the basis of the initial information and an inquiry will be conducted into the matter. At least 16 Indian Army personnel, including 3 junior commissioned officers, were killed and 4 other soldiers were injured in a road accident in Indian state of Sikkim. Incident occurred when the army truck slipped down into the slope in Zama area of the state.